of the day. Holy hell. This track is interesting. It's definitely different. We're in Saint John today at the Loch Lomond place. I think that's what this mall is called. Used to work here way back in the day before I joined the military. And now here I am racing in the parking lot. So that was a lot of fun. We got 3 more laps to do this morning, and then I think we have 4 this afternoon to do. So we'll see you at lap 2. There we are, 51. That was 2 seconds faster than our last lap. Except for the fact I think I smoked a cone. So we might be the same amount of time. Whew, I forgot to turn the AC off again. Well, hopefully the 3rd lap will be even better. I would love to break down into the 40s. I'll never get close to Jamie, which is running, I think a 44 is the best I saw him run so far. But it might be faster. Might have had a faster lap than that, I don't know. But if we could get down to a 49, that'd be cool. It's 2.5 more seconds. Oh, we messed that one up. We went a little off course, but we saved it. 3rd lap, the worst lap. Definitely nailed a cone or 2. So I've realized my front tires, they're junk. They got no grip at all in the corners. That last corner, if I had some grip down there, it's a big sweeping right when you're starting on the 2nd lap there. And I'm pushing. So sway bars for sure this year, and next year we're gonna go with a low tread wear, high performance track tire. And that should help some of that. I don't know if we're gonna make that 49-second mark today. It's a pretty big reach. If we can hit 51 again, I think I'm gonna be happy with hitting 51 again. Of course, I'm just running on stock air pressure, just haven't adjusted it at all. Drove down here this morning so the tires didn't get warm in the drive. But Anyway, we'll see you in a few seconds on lap 3.
Got a rerun.
Oh, do I?
So yeah, get right in line.
Okay. I guess we have a rerun to do. So let's do that. Not sure where that phone went. It's over there somewhere. We'll find it after. I must have went off course or something. Not sure, but we're gonna do another lap just for the funs of it. Well, that was a lot of fun. It was a rerun, so I just gave it all. Why the hell not? Got some drifting done. Pretty good. Fifty-two seconds. Woo, 51. 51, 51, 2. Hell yeah. Great on. Another lap similar to that. We should be able to get into the 50s.
Would I be able to hop in for a run with you?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
Got a ride along.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. I'm Annex.
Annex, James.
It's been your best time so far.
I think the last run I did, it was 51 something. 51's been my best.
Oh, that's not too bad.
No. If I could break down to the 50, that'd be great. But
Let's get her.
tires are too slippery.
Yeah, that seems to be everybody's problem today.
Yeah.
Went around looking, everybody's running bears.
Fun track though.
Yeah. Well, I was a little upset I missed the sign up.
Oh. They don't do sign up of day of here, eh?
I'm not too sure.
They're just setting up some cones. Just give them a minute.
Pretty much only figured out about it today.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there goes someone doing a wheelie.
Yep.
Are we clear?
Close.
Plus a couple seconds.
How many more runs? You got one?
One, yeah.
Oh. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate you.
Last one?
Last one. You had 2 cones last time. You knew that?
I knew I hit one. I felt it.
2.
What?
Second one was on the way up.
Ah, okay. Oh yeah, that's right. I totally forgot. Yeah. I almost went off course there.
They didn't say off course. They just said cone.
Yeah, no, I stopped and then.
Okay. Okay.
There we are, that's it. That's the last run of the day. I smoked a ton of cones on that one. Did not give them any mercy. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the drive home for a minute. Talk to you. But for now, let's get packed back up and maybe get out of here.